This is the Honor 70, but wait, this isn't mine. It actually belongs to one of you lucky people. Stay tuned to this video to find out more. The many smartphones Honor are offering in their Memories Together Ramadan campaign, which you can find out more about in the description below. And since it's Ramadan, I thought I'd make a fun little video showing you some of my favorite features of this device during one of the days of Ramadan. So I started my day a little later than normal since I had to get up at 4 AM for prayers and then went back to sleep until 10 AM. I spent some time in the morning scrolling through on that beautiful 6.67-inch OLED display, which is one of my first favorite features of the Honor 70. It has this slight curve to the sides, but punchy, vibrant colors for viewing media, and with its smooth 120Hz refresh rate, it feels fast and fluid, especially when you're scrolling. The whole phone actually feels light and slim, and this back panel really shimmers in the light. It looks like a diamond effect. Right, I want to spend some time with the kids now since it's the weekend, so first things first, shower to feel awake and then get dressed. Right, showered and changed. Welcome back to the channel, guys and girls. You're watching me, Mkwan, here on Mkwan Reviews. It is Ramadan here, which is a slower pace generally, and it's also the weekend. And this morning, I'm going to spend some time with the kids before we go out to the mall because we've got a couple of errands to run. My son has a pretty cool setup at the moment with his dinosaurs. So let's go check it out. So my second favorite feature is the camera, with a triple camera setup made up of a 54 megapixel main pad with a 50 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel depth. On the front you have a respectable 32 megapixel selfie camera. So starting off with video, colors and stabilization looks and feels good. And filming this dinosaur scene with my son is a whole lot of fun, especially when he can edit his own version using the inbuilt editing tools. A few clicks and he's very happy. Right, it's time to take the family out. Let's go. So here at our local mall, they've got this beautiful decoration for Ramadan, and it's a cool time to test out the camera. So you've got a good range of different zoom with the ultra wide going all the way up to 10x. Now where the camera really shines is at 1x, where the 54 megapixel f1.9 aperture using the Sony IMX800 sensor. And I really like the colors and details here, but let me know what you guys think down below. So here's another example of video. This is called MultiVideo. This allows you to capture both from the rear and the front facing camera at the same time, although you can switch it out so that you both have two rear camera videos. This is great for reaction because it means I can film the decorations that they've got here for Ramadan and also my reaction. The only thing that I would have liked to see for this example is I wish it wasn't limited to 1080p, rather 4K, 30 frames per second. That would have been better. So we've got some pretty nice weather recently, and I thought we'd get some fresh air and have fun with some mini golf. Time to also test out the video a little more in the open space. Here is an example of video currently being filmed in 4K, 30 frames per second. It's really nice actually, quite smooth, good dynamic range, color accuracy. And as I move around, it should give you an idea of how stabilization performs. There is a lot of wind at the moment, so bear that in mind. And let me know in the comments down below what you think of the audio quality. Okay, so the front-facing selfie video is like this. It's limited to 1080p, 30 frames per second. Again, I would have liked to see 4K here. But let me know what you think in terms of performance. How do you think it does so far? Right, back home, and the third favorite feature for me is the battery. Powered with a 4800 milliamp hour battery, it's a reasonable amount to keep going for the day. With extensive gameplay, it does reduce, but for most users, multitasking, along with the Android 12 and the Magic UI 6.1 experience, you'll get a very smooth feeling. The Snapdragon 778G plus 5G will also appeal to more people looking for a device that they can use for a longer period of time. What I really like is the 66 watt fast charger that's included in the box that got me around 60 to 65% charge in about 20 to 25 minutes. The Honor 70 packs in a ton of features at a very competitive price point. For the full pricing and special offers details, check out the link below.
Right guys, that's my time spent with the Honor 70 device. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And at the beginning I mentioned that the Honor 70, this unit isn't mine, belongs to one of you lucky people. If you want to know how you can get this, check out the link to my Instagram account, follow the video with the captions, and one of you will get a chance to get this. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video. Before I go, check out this other video over here. M Kwan over and out. Peace and blessings.